You are absolutely going to fall in love with the card kit that Club Scrap is releasing in October. This one is called Yellowstone. Let's take a peek. We're very proud of this paper collection in the Yellowstone card kit. You get 2 of these stunning prints and then 2 each of this linen textured aqua. We've got a rust color, this super smooth ivory, we have a green, and then this linen textured dark brown. And we're also including 2 sheets of 12 by 12 printed cut aparts. These have been carefully mapped out so that you have everything you need to add a sentiment to the outside and inside of every one of the cards you'll make. Your kit also includes 3 coordinating ribbons, 4 mini craft tags, 4 of these embroidered star appliques, 4 longhorn charms, and a set of 12 envelopes. You'll have 4 each of 3 sizes to match the dozen cards you're about to make. Turning all of these materials into cards is easy with Club Scrap. You won't be guessing, you'll be following along with our detailed paper trimming instructions that also include a video workshop. I will walk you through trimming the paper, scoring it, and then adding all those embellishments and ribbons to complete a dozen cards. We'll make a set of 4 of these double accordion folded cards. These are really fun, easy to make, and I have some great assembly tips I can't wait to share with you. Then we'll incorporate that mini craft tag, some of the jute ribbon, that beautiful print into 2 vertical cards and 2 horizontal single fold cards. Our last set of 2 horizontal and 2 vertical cards are called slimline cards. These are 3.5 by 8.5. They feature some of the beautiful artwork from the collection. And again, everything's decorated both on the outside and inside. Now you don't have to be a Club Scrap member to pick up this kit. So grab your Yellowstone card kit and let's make these cards together. I'll see you in class.